How to fix Steam Cloud sync conflicts and ensure offline progress for God of War. Welcome back, tech lovers, to another Teknobalta fix. Today, we're diving deep into a common concern for PC gamers, playing titles like God of War offline, and how it impacts your Steam Cloud saves and achievements. Many users wonder if going offline will corrupt their progress or prevent achievements from registering. Rest assured, Teknobalta is here to provide a comprehensive, technical breakdown and solution. First, let's understand Steam's offline mode. It's designed to allow you to play your purchased games without an active internet connection. However, it requires certain prerequisites to function correctly. You must have logged into Steam at least once while online on that specific PC. The game you intend to play offline must also have been launched at least once while online. This initial online launch allows Steam to download necessary game files and verify licenses. Without these initial steps, Steam may not permit you to launch the game in offline mode. Once these conditions are met, you can manually switch Steam to offline mode from the Steam client menu. Navigate to Steam in the top left corner, then select Go Offline. This action will restart the Steam client in a state where it no longer attempts to connect to Steam servers. Now, let's address the core of the issue: Steam Cloud Synchronization. Steam Cloud is a service that automatically stores your game saves, configuration files, and other data on Valve's servers. This ensures your progress is backed up and accessible from any PC where you log into your Steam account. When you play a game like God of War offline, your save files are exclusively stored on your local machine. They are not immediately synchronized with the Steam Cloud because there is no active internet connection. This is a critical distinction. Offline play means local storage only. The potential problem arises when you reconnect to the internet after an offline gaming session. Steam will detect a discrepancy between your local save files and the older versions stored in the cloud. This is known as a Steam Cloud sync conflict. When this conflict occurs, Steam will typically present you with a dialog box. This dialog will ask you to choose which set of save files you wish to keep, the local files or the cloud files. For your scenario, where you've made progress offline, it is imperative to select the local files option. Choosing local files will instruct Steam to upload your current, most recent offline progress to the Steam Cloud. This effectively overwrites the older cloud saves with your new, updated local saves. If you mistakenly select cloud files, you risk losing all the progress you made during your offline session. This is because Steam would then download the older cloud saves, replacing your newer local ones. Always read the sync conflict prompt carefully to avoid data loss. Now, let's move on to achievements. This aspect is slightly more nuanced and can vary by game. Most modern Steam games, including God of War, track achievements locally on your PC. When you fulfill the criteria for an achievement while playing offline, the game client records this internally. Upon reconnecting to the internet and launching Steam, these locally recorded achievements are typically synchronized with your Steam profile. You might see a flurry of achievement notifications pop up as Steam updates your profile. However, some older or less common titles might have different implementations. A small number of games require an active internet connection at the exact moment an achievement is earned to register it. This is rare for major titles like God of War, which generally support offline achievement tracking. If you find that achievements are not syncing, first ensure your internet connection is stable. Then, restart your Steam client entirely. Sometimes a simple restart can force a resynchronization. If the issue persists, verifying the integrity of game files for God of War can resolve underlying data corruption. To do this, Right-click God of War in your Steam library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any missing or corrupted game files and re-downloads them if necessary. Let's delve deeper into managing your save files. Knowing where your local saves are stored is crucial for manual backups. For God of War, save files are typically located in your Documents folder, specifically under users / your username, /documents /God of War /. Within this directory, you'll find folders containing your saved data. Regularly backing up these folders to an external drive or cloud storage service is a robust safety measure. This provides an additional layer of protection beyond Steam Cloud, especially if you frequently play offline. To disable Steam Cloud for a specific game, right-click the game in your Steam library. Go to Properties, then under the General tab, uncheck Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for God of War. While this gives you full control over local saves, it also means no automatic cloud backups. Use this option with caution and only if you are diligent about manual backups. Now, let's explore some general troubleshooting steps for Steam Cloud issues. First, ensure your Steam client is fully updated. Outdated clients can sometimes lead to synchronization problems. You can check for updates by going to Steam in the top left corner and selecting Check for Steam Client Updates. Clearing your Steam download cache can also resolve various client-related issues, including sync problems. Go to Steam Settings, Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This will require you to log back into Steam, so have your credentials ready. Check the Steam server status. Occasionally, Steam Cloud services might experience temporary outages. You can find this information on official Steam status pages or third-party websites. If Steam servers are down, you'll simply need to wait for them to come back online. Your network configuration can also impact Steam Cloud synchronization. Ensure your Firewall or Antivirus software isn't blocking Steam's access to the internet. Add exceptions for Steam.exe and SteamService.exe in your security software. Consider temporarily disabling your VPN if you are using one, as it can sometimes interfere with Steam's network communication. DNS settings can also play a role. Try switching to public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues that prevent proper cloud synchronization. Now, for the advanced technical users, let's dive into the Windows Registry. Warning asterisk, modifying the Windows Registry incorrectly can cause serious system instability. Proceed with extreme caution and back up your registry before making changes. Open the registry editor by typing Regedit in the Windows search bar and running it as administrator. Navigate to hky_current_user /software/valve/steam. Here, you might find various DWORD values related to Steam's operational state. Look for keys that might indicate an offline or cloud status. For instance, a offline DWORD value might exist. Ensure its data is set to 04 online mode or 14 offline mode, depending on your desired state. Incorrect values here can sometimes force Steam into an unintended mode, preventing proper sync. Also, check for cloud-related DWORDs. While direct manipulation is not recommended, understanding their presence is key. Forcing a sync through registry edits is generally not advised, as it can lead to data corruption. The Steam client is designed to handle these states automatically. If you suspect a registry issue, a clean reinstall of Steam, after backing up your Steam Apps folder is often safer than manual registry edits. Moving to OS level settings, ensure your system state and time are correctly synchronized. Discrepancies can cause issues with secure connections and time-sensitive synchronization processes. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time, and ensure Set Time Automatically is enabled. Windows Defender Firewall rules should be reviewed. Ensure that Steam and God of War have outbound and inbound rules allowing full network access. You can manage these rules in Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Network adapter drivers are also crucial. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can lead to intermittent connectivity. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your adapter, and select Update Driver. You might also consider downloading the latest driver directly from your motherboard or network adapter manufacturer's website. Power management settings for your network adapter can also interfere. In Device Manager, under your network adapter's properties, go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents the OS from cutting power to the adapter, which can interrupt network traffic and sync operations. Background application restrictions in Windows can also impact Steam's ability to sync. Ensure Steam is not restricted from running in the background, especially if you're using a laptop on battery power. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and ensure Steam is allowed to run. For GPU drivers, while not directly related to Cloud Sync, ensuring they are up to date is crucial for overall game stability. An unstable game client can sometimes lead to unexpected save file behavior. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official websites. Now, let's consider God of War specifics. The game itself is generally robust in handling save data. There are no widely reported issues with its save system specifically failing in offline mode. The game's internal save mechanism is designed to write progress to the local disk regardless of internet connectivity. Any issues you encounter are almost certainly related to the Steam client's interaction with its cloud service. Ensure you are running the latest version of God of War. Game updates often include bug fixes for save and achievement systems. If you're using any mods for God of War, be aware that these can sometimes interfere with save file integrity. Temporarily disable or remove mods to rule them out as a cause of sync issues. For users experiencing persistent issues, consider opting into the Steam Beta client. Beta clients often contain the latest fixes and improvements before they are released to the stable branch. Go to Steam Settings Interface and select Steam Beta Update from the Client Beta Participation drop-down. Remember, beta clients can sometimes introduce new bugs, so use this option if other solutions fail. Let's summarize the best practices for seamless offline play and cloud synchronization. Always ensure Steam is fully updated before going offline. Launch the game at least once online before attempting to play it offline. When reconnecting to the internet, pay close attention to the Steam Cloud Sync conflict dialog. Select Local Files to upload your offline progress to the cloud. Regularly back up your game save files manually, especially for critical progress. This provides a safety net against any unforeseen cloud synchronization errors. Ensure your operating system, network drivers, and GPU drivers are all up to date. Maintain proper firewall and antivirus configurations to allow Steam full network access. If you encounter any issues, try restarting Steam and your PC. Verify the integrity of game files as a first troubleshooting step for game-specific problems. For persistent network-related problems, consider flushing your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type IP protocol configuration/flushtons, then press Enter. This clears outdated DNS records that might be causing connectivity issues. Also, consider resetting your network adapter. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset. This will reinstall your network adapters and reset networking components to their original settings. It's a more drastic step, but effective for deep-seated network problems. Remember, the Steam Cloud system is generally reliable, but user interaction is key during sync conflicts. By following these guidelines, you can confidently play God of War and other Steam titles offline.